Hello to you. So as you can see, I will be trying to solve this puzzle and I will show you my process. So for context, this puzzle has really simple goal and simple rules that once you master or once you get your hands around, it can be really fun to do in your free time. So yes, since I can't really pronounce this word properly, I will just be using the word puzzle to pertain to it. So I hope you're not confused. So let's briefly explain what this puzzle is. This puzzle has 9 grids. Grids as in GRID and not grades. Grids, okay? So in this book we have 9 grids. This is considered grid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In this book we only have 9 grids, but in some other books, those very advanced ones, they have way more than 9 grids, so I'm pretty sure those are much harder than this. So in every puzzle, there are a set of given numbers like this, but don't worry. Don't worry, because this is not a math puzzle. This is more on logic. This is more on logic and more on patterns. So you don't need to have math skills for it. So I hope you're assured by that. The goal of this game or this puzzle is simple. You only have to fill up those blank boxes with numbers until everything is complete and there are no blank boxes left. That is the main goal. But here are some rules. The rule is once you have a specific number, let's say for instance this number 8, if you have this number already, then the rule is it shouldn't repeat on this area, and on this box. It shouldn't repeat. There shouldn't be 8 here because there is already 8 here. There shouldn't be 8 here because there is already 8 here. And in this box, there shouldn't be other 8s because there is already 8 here. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So yes, it's pretty simple. That is the rule of this game. So I will start. The method I use is called the elimination method. I'm not sure how to explain it in words, so I will just be showing you how I do it. I will start in this grid. I started with this because it has less blank boxes than this. I would try to avoid those grids with lots of blank boxes because that would be hard for me. So I will start here. I already know that 1 is here, 2 is missing, so I will analyze. Yes, I'm thinking that 2 should go here. So then I will observe the other boxes around it. So I saw that there is already a 2 here, which is in which is aligned here to where I want to put my 2. So I would mentally tick off this box that is already off limit and 2 cannot go there strictly. And there is another box, so I'm thinking 2 should go here. So then I will analyze again. I will analyze here. There is no 2 there, so that's safe. And I will analyze here. But then I saw another 2. So that means 2 cannot go here strictly. I will tick that off. There are no other boxes left except for this one in the bottom left. So obviously there is nothing else for the number 2 to go. So I will write it here. It is the only cell or the only box available. So I'm going to write 2, and I will write it in pen already because I am 100% sure. So I will write it here. Excuse me for a second. There you go. 2 is already there. Okay. And 1, I will count. I like to count the numbers one by one so that I can keep track of what numbers are still missing and what numbers do I still have to look for, right? So yes, I will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no 6, so I will look for 6. Should 6 go here? It can go here, but I'm not sure because there are no excuse me, my cat is trying to. So I will not put it here because I'm not sure. It's only a guess. It's only a possibility that it can go here, but it's not 100% sure. So I will look here as well, and it is also still just a possibility. It's not a 100% answer. I will leave 6 for now because I'm not sure where does it go, and I will proceed to the next number, which is 7, 8. That's it. 8 is missing, so I'm going to look for that one. I already saw that there is another 8 here, so that means it can't go here at all strictly. You have to tick that off. So there are no other boxes. There is 2 here, it cannot go here, and this is the only available one. So obviously there is nowhere else to put it, so I'm just going to put, excuse me again, 8 here. 8. And the 6 that I was looking for earlier do not have anywhere else to go in this grid except for this box. So I'm going to put number 6 there. And just like that, one of my grids is already complete, and I am 100% sure about that. I'm 100% sure about them, so I wrote them in pen, and this will not change anymore.